Get started. First thing first, we go around the whole ship, collect all the extinguishers into a workstation. There are 3 types of extinguishers on our ship. It's what you'll find in most ships these days. We have dry powder, foam, and CO2. Dry powder is for all-purpose fire except oil fire. They work by foam for oil fires, generally in a galley and engine room. They sit on top of a liquid, separating the oxygen so the fire would die out. CO2 is only for electrical fire. Electrical equipment on a ship can be very expensive, so with CO2 there's a chance to salvage whatever is left. You can imagine what kind of mess a foam or dry powder would do to a computer. Today the tag is still on. The tag that's strapped to the safety pin tells us if it's been used or not. If the tag is gone, then automatically we either have to refill it or replace it with a new one. First up, we start off with the CO2 extinguishers. They're pressurized, so we cannot just open up to check inside. All we do is put on the scale and make sure that it's full. Next up are the foam extinguishers. A special tool to open it up. Checking the rubber O-ring and the weight. The foam is checked to make sure it's at the right level and no weird coloring or smell. Then comes the biggest bunch, dry powder. One thing to note is that the ship is always vibrating from the big engines, and that makes the powder settle, sometimes even forming chunks of rocks, becoming solid inside the suction tube. Just like the other ones, we take out the cap, tapping it lightly so that the powder would drop down. This is perhaps one of the key things to check. You might be wondering, what's the big deal? Well, let's imagine when a fire happens and someone go and grab an extinguisher, only to find that nothing comes out because the tube is blocked. What could be a small fire can go off control because of time wasted. We give it a shake and flip it upside down for a bit so that the powder becomes more fluffy and prevents any buildup. Once finished, we return all the extinguishers back to its location. It takes a while and it's quite heavy,